Welcome back, and in this course I will be taking you on comparison operator in this class. So a comparison operator is the operator that is used when we are doing statement control. Like a comparison operator will tell us that if this value is true, do this. When we are comparing between two positive value or equality, or when we are comparing between two numbers. And comparison operator is mostly used for numbers. So let me give you some example of some comparison operator. We have your equality, if two values are equal, print out a certain number or do a certain thing. So we can just return and in Solidity use double quotes for strings. Values A and B are equal. A and B are equal. Then if they are not equal, you can also have an if statement, or you can use an else if, which we will go into. This is the symbol for not equal. If B is not equals to, if A is not equals to B, then return A and B is not equal. So if we run this code, we test this out. Let's deploy this, test it out. Passing A, let's say A is equals to 2, and A is equals to 2, and B is equals to 2, you get are equal. So if you get are equal, then if I should change this to, let me say 20 and call this, you get A and B are not equal. So the next function we will do will be for greater than and lesser than, to check if A is greater than B. So what we do, I will just copy this and check if A is greater, and the greater than sign is the greater than I use in mathematics. Is A greater than B, you say A is greater. Let me just done, I'll just put greater, it's greater, else then we'll have another one for less than. Let's deploy this and let's delete this, deploy this. Let's check it out again. Compare value, let's say 3, and 3 should not give us anything. Shouldn't give us anything, and should give us an empty string. Then if I should check 3, 4, we'll see A is greater than B. Normally I would have put a return value outside, and specify it to a value, and just say other value. This is what I would have done, and this is the recommended style you should do, but that's not the important part now. Then the next thing we will check, if we want to check if A is greater than or equal to B. So this one now is checking if A is greater than B, but it's not checking if it's equal to B. So to do that, we can just add an equal to symbol here, and it should check. Now, if I deploy this and do two values that are equal, I should get equal. Let me put this equal, yeah? And the thing about control statement, it will only call the first value it will only call the first value. Once you call the first, and this one is true, to return, and it will leave this function. That's the thing about function. Once the return statement is called, it will exit the function. So let's deploy this, delete this, then deploy this, Then we check it again. We'll see if I should put A, if I should put 3 and 3, I should get the first one. A is greater than or equal B. Should give me the first one. Even if they are both the same, it should give me the first one. If I was to move this one down, you will see that it will give me the second one. Let's delete this. Then deploy. Again, let me check this out. So it's 3 and 3. We should get less than. If A is less. Okay. I did not change this. Let's done. Let's are done. Delete this. Deploy this. Then check it out again. You will see 3, 3. Deploy this, call this. We should get A is less than or equals to B. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care.